False cards are very popular these days. Those are extremely dangerous if you play for money. It looks like the deck is mixed, but in fact no card has changed its position. Cheater holds the break with his thumb to mark the point where the deck should be restored. The break is invisible for all the other players. This move can be performed repetitively, couple times in a row. Take a look on this technique with the deck turned around. Cheater can execute the same technique with 3 cuts instead of 2. Once again the break is held in the same way as before. Player just takes smaller portions of the deck. All false cuts works on the same principle. The only difference is style of marking the restoration point. To mark the restoration point, cheater can cut the deck unevenly. Half of a deck will be sticking out of the pack. From this point it's easy to bring the deck back to its previous order. It is a basic method that can be performed even by an amateur. In this method, cheater can do as many cuts as he wants. The deck can be cut unequally from the side as well. The gap is truly small, but professional cheater can take advantage of it. Another commonly used technique is outjogging the card. Now take a look how does it work. One card is just pushed away from the deck during the cutting action. It's really easy to restore the deck with the help of cards sticking out of the pack. It is visible only from one side. Outjog can be really subtle. Card can be pushed away even before the cut. Please take a look. This move takes only a split second and can be implemented in almost any cutting sequences. At this moment, it's really simple for the cheater to restore the deck back to its previous order. Card can be pushed away from any side of the deck. It is visible only from cheater's perspective. It's slightly over-exaggerated to expose the technique. In real game, outjog would be smaller and less visible.